October 25th through 31st is Lead Poisoning Prevention Week, and we're marking it with this homeowner alert for anyone with a house built before 1978. Well, if you are planning to paint, renovate, or strip any wood within it, you first need to get it tested for lead. Here's what you can do if the test is positive.
More than 40 million houses in the United States have lead paint. And it's really important if you have small children to be very careful when remodeling, because you do not want to end up with lead paint poisoning.
Especially for children under 6 years old, ingesting lead paint chips or breathing in lead dust can lead to lifelong learning disabilities, nervous system problems, or even brain damage. Just a little dust can do a lot of damage.
If you took this much lead dust and you spread it over a 1,500 square foot home, that house would be contaminated.
In order to remove it, find a contractor who is certified by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and safe lead practices, and ask specific questions on the removal process.
A good contractor will list all of the things that they do because they're proud of the fact that that's part of their business.
We've been working with the EPA, educating consumers on the dangers of lead paint and the proper procedures for dealing with it. And we've seen lots of progress from contractors, but there still are painters that aren't following the proper procedures. So it's important that consumers educate themselves and are in the driver's seat.
Sawyer says it's imperative your painter or the person who remodels your home uses plastic drop cloths, not canvas, and a HEPA vacuum for cleanup. And while the paint may be the main culprit, it's not the only one.
We think of lead-based paint as the colored paints on the walls, but that's not true. It's also the lacquers, the varnishes, the shellacs, the floor coatings. Those all have lead in them as well.
Thanks to the EPA's Renovation, Repair, and Painting Rule of 2010, it's illegal for any contractor to disturb lead paint without first acquiring lead safe certification. Now, you can find a national list of certified contractors on the agency's website at epa.gov. In the studio for WXVT, I'm Kandace Red.